Can you picture a life where your investments generate a steady stream of cash, allowing you to kiss your 9-to-5 goodbye and embrace the life you've always desired? Sounds too good to be true, right? We thought so too, but we want to help you crack the code. We're going to reveal the insider secrets that smart investors use to skyrocket their dividend income rapidly. We're talking about the hidden gems in the stock market that can put you on the fast track to financial independence. Many of you have heard of Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors. But did you know he has a surprising strategy when it comes to investing in stocks? Instead of focusing on companies with high growth potential or flashy innovations, Buffett looks for consistent and reliable returns, often through dividend stocks. This may come as a shock to some, as the common misperception is that wealth is generated through risky and aggressive investments. However, Buffett's approach of long-term value investing has consistently proven successful, earning him a net worth of over $100 billion. By investing in dividend stocks, he can benefit not only from the potential capital appreciation, but also from reliable income streams. Buffett has a track record of making some clever moves. In 2016, Berkshire Hathaway purchased $1.1 billion worth of Apple stock, betting big on the technology giant's future success. As it turns out, that bet paid off handsomely for Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway. According to reports, as of 2021, Berkshire Hathaway's stake in Apple was valued at over $120 billion, making it one of the company's most successful investments to date. While it's difficult to pinpoint exactly how much money he's made from Apple dividends alone, we do know that he holds around 5.4% of the tech giant's shares, with a dividend payout of 82 cents per share. This equates to approximately $770 million per year. Buffett's confidence in this approach reflects his deep understanding of the market and his unwavering trust in his tried-and-true investment philosophy. Now, if you're thinking you can emulate Warren Buffett's success, hold on tight as we take you on a journey through the world of high-yield dividend strategies. Don't miss out on your chance to seize control of your financial destiny. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the secrets of living off dividends quickly that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. So you may be wondering, how on earth can I achieve this financial nirvana? What are the magical keys that will unlock my path to wealth? Well, fret not, my friends. We've done our homework, and we're here to share 3 powerful key points that will put you on the fast track to financial independence. Let's first discuss how dividends work. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. That's the power of dividends. By investing in stocks that pay dividends, you can earn a regular income without having to lift a finger. But how do dividends work exactly? Well, it starts with a dividend strategy. Companies decide how much of their profits they want to share with their investors and set a dividend payout ratio accordingly. For example, let's take a look at a hypothetical company that has $10 million in net income and pays out $2 million in dividends. Its dividend payout ratio would be 20%, indicating that it's distributing a fifth of its profits to investors. By analyzing this ratio, you can identify high-yield investments with reliable cash flows, boosting your portfolio's overall returns. As an early or even savvy investor, you may be wondering how many companies actually pay dividends. Well, let me assure you, there are plenty. In fact, more than half the companies in the S&P 500 pay dividends. Now let's discuss 3 key secrets to help you earn $100 per day or $35,000 per year just from dividends. And make sure to stay until the end of the video so you can see how we break down the simple math. Our number 3 strategy is all about the treasure trove investment opportunity that delivers high yields and consistent dividends all year round. That's exactly what high-yield REITs can offer savvy investors looking for a reliable income stream. A dividend strategy that revolves around REITs has become a popular choice for many investors due to their unique tax structure and ability to provide steady returns. These real estate investment trusts collect rent from the properties they own and often distribute the profits to shareholders in the forms of dividends. So let's do some simple math and use REITs as an example of how to make $35,000 per year. Let's say you invest $100 per day in Apple Hospitality, APLE, not to be mistaken with Apple stock. Apple Hospitality, one of the largest hospitality sector REITs, owns and operates 220 mostly Marriott and Hilton branded hotels in urban, suburban, and developing markets. This REIT has a yield of 6.91% as of August 2023, which means you could potentially earn $6.91 in dividends for every $100 invested. For context, most traditional banks have a yield of 0.05% to 1%. So rather than investing $3.5 million to make $35,000 per year off dividends, You would only have to invest $500,000 to make $35,000 per year. Now that is a great opportunity to make some serious money without lifting a finger. So not only do REITs offer solid returns, but they also provide the opportunity to reinvest dividends to compound earnings over time. With dividends being distributed on a regular frequency, investors can rely on a dependable source of income no matter the market conditions. So if you're looking for an investment that offers stability and high yields, consider incorporating high-yield REITs into your portfolio for a dividend strategy that can deliver consistent returns for years to come. Now let's dive into our second key strategy, the secret sauce and power of dividend reinvestment. Imagine a strategy where your investment grows effortlessly without you lifting a finger. Dividend reinvestment becomes a powerful tool in your investing arsenal that provides a remarkably low-maintenance way for your portfolio to expand. By following this blueprint, you can enjoy the benefits of the compounding effect and see your returns skyrocket in the long term. With dividend reinvestment, you have the option of reinvesting your earnings automatically rather than taking a cash payout. As your reinvested dividends earn dividends of their own, your investment can snowball into something beyond imagination. The frequency of reinvestment can be customized based on your preference, so you have control over the frequency and duration of the reinvestment process. Why settle for a stagnant investment when you could join the ranks of savvy investors who utilize this dynamic strategy to maximize their returns? With dividend reinvestment, the sky's the limit, and you can confidently watch your portfolio grow. Now, our number one secret is a real game changer: covered call ETFs, which boost your investment returns by using a single strategy that can potentially give you both income and growth. Covered call dividends are one of the most popular investment strategies for generating income by selling call options against your stocks. With the right dividend strategy, you can earn regular payments at a higher frequency on top of any potential stock appreciation. By selling covered call options, you benefit from both the options premiums and the dividends paid by the stocks you own, making it a win-win situation. Let's consider an example of a covered call ETF and how it works with some basic math. Suppose you invest in a covered call ETF that holds a diversified portfolio of stocks, and the current value of the ETF is $100 per share. The ETF manager writes covered call options on some of the underlying stocks in the portfolio. Let's assume that for each share of the ETF, the manager writes a covered call option with a strike price of $110 and an expiration date 1 month away. The premium received for selling the call option is $5 per share. Scenario 1. Stock price below the strike price, $100. If the stock price remains below the strike price of $110 at the expiration date, the call option will not be exercised. You will keep the premium of $5 per share, which provides additional income to your investment. Scenario 2. Stock price above the strike price, $115. If the stock price rises above the strike price to $115, the call option may be exercised, and you would have to sell the stock at the strike price of $110. In this case, you would gain $10 per share from the stock's appreciation and $5 per share from the premium received, resulting in a total gain of $15 per share. Overall, covered call ETFs aim to generate additional income through the premiums from selling call options, while potentially limiting some of the upside potential if the stock price rises significantly above the strike price. These ETFs can be a useful tool for investors seeking income and a way to participate in the stock market with some downside protection. And there you have it, the 3 secrets you absolutely need to know to live off dividends quickly. But remember, achieving financial independence is a journey, not a race. It takes dedication, patience, and consistent effort. The good news is, you're not alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way, so hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of dividend enthusiasts. Together, we'll uncover more financial wisdom, share success stories, and inspire each other on our path to prosperity. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Let's harness the secrets of dividends and make those dreams a reality. Now, if you want to tap into the exciting opportunities in AI investing, join us to learn about the top 3 AI stocks. Don't worry, you still have time to buy them early.